Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more app reviews and tips. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This is my personal experience using the Glow Fitness app, so let's get started. This review dives into the Glow Fitness app. If you're curious about this app, I've provided links in the description below. Glow is a fitness and wellness app designed to help users of all levels achieve their goals through a guided approach to workouts, yoga, meditation, and Pilates. It's especially beneficial for busy people, catering to both beginners and experienced individuals who need flexible and effective training options. Glow offers a vast library of thousands of on-demand classes led by world-class instructors. These classes cater to a diverse range of fitness levels, goals, and preferences. You can easily filter classes based on duration, intensity, specific focus areas like core strength or flexibility, and even the equipment you have available. This makes it incredibly simple to find a workout that seamlessly integrates into your schedule and meets your individual requirements. A key feature of Glow is its personalized approach. The app intelligently suggests classes based on your stated preferences and fitness goals, and it adapts these recommendations as you progress. The daily recommendation feature ensures you always have new and relevant content at your fingertips, keeping your workouts fresh and engaging. Plus, Glow supports offline downloads, enabling you to work out anytime, anywhere, even without an internet connection. The video and audio quality of the sessions are top-notch, featuring clear instructions and guidance delivered at a comfortable pace. Glow also seamlessly integrates with popular fitness trackers, allowing you to accurately monitor your performance and track your progress in real time. Another significant benefit is its emphasis on mindfulness. The app incorporates meditation and breathwork sessions that complement your physical workouts, promoting a more holistic and balanced approach to fitness. Glow is an ideal choice for users who prioritize convenience and variety in their fitness routines. Whether your goal is to build strength, increase flexibility, manage stress, or simply unwind, this app offers a comprehensive solution in one convenient platform. While a subscription is required, the sheer quality, breadth, and depth of the content make it a valuable investment for anyone serious about their fitness journey. In conclusion, the Glow Fitness app provides a well-rounded, user-friendly platform designed to meet a wide range of fitness needs and preferences. If you're looking to enhance your workouts and incorporate mindfulness into your daily life, Glow is an excellent option. Check out the links in the description to explore Glow and start your free trial.